Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 C300 4MATIC. This one's a brilliant blue. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 17-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB text interior. Panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our C300 4MATIC badging. Clean set of floor mats. Alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, a natural gray black ash wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up. A rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, cup holders, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns, volume button, our spin wheel for our infotainment center. This C-Class has 14,434 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300, check out feldmanimports.com.